always interesting when you host your own book launch. And it's funny as well. But with Viru, you don't miss that opportunity. It happened strangely. I mean, I have perhaps watched every game that Viru has played. Every single game. And this association actually goes back to that 105 in South Africa when he opened that batting, or to that 100 in Sri Lanka with that second ball boundary of 70 balls, when he had some 15 games under his belt, not that great a start to his career, and suddenly was born the man who revolutionized batting in the test match arena and also in the one-day format. How do I describe Viru, and how does this book launch actually come about? We were having dinner. Rajneesh was there, Gaurav was there, Viru was there at the Taj Lands End Hotel. And I know Viru was busy. I know Viru is perhaps the most followed person, organically followed person, not fake accounts on Twitter. So it was quite something. I was thinking, how do I put it to Viru? And I thought back to an interview that I had done with him during the India-South Africa series. Dale Steyn and the South Africans were coming to India. They were a highly rated team. And Viru was about to open. I remember the interview, going up to him, and I said, Viru, Dale Steyn, 145. And me being me, I was pushing him. So about 22 seconds into the question, Viru holds my hand. And I was like, हाँ बोल. So he said, दादा bowler होता है, 145 डाले, 50 डाले, मारूंगा. And I realized at that point in time, I realized at the Taj Lands End dinner, it helps to be straight. I went and told him, need your help. He said, 219 का जर्सी भी आपको दिया था. आपने जब जो मांगा है मैंने आपको दिया है, क्या help बताइए. So I said, this is my life's work, and you will have to launch it, or rather celebrate it with me in Kolkata or Delhi, whichever one you want. Viru looked at me, Viru looked at Rajneesh, and he did not even bat an eyelid, and he said, आपको मैं कभी ना नहीं बोला है, ना नहीं बोलूंगा. Put your hands together for the man who revolutionized world batting, Virendra Sehwag. Before I call him on stage, this day is also interesting. I asked Viru, कब करना है? Can you give me a date? And we were initially planning Delhi. But then I've been pestering Viru for a long time to take a day off and come and visit the museum that we've actually set up and worked really hard for it. So he said, why don't we merge the two, and I'll come to your museum and we'll do the program together. And I said, can't be better. And he said, the match is on the 21st. So I said, can we do it on the 22nd or 20th or whatever you want? And he said, I might not come to Calcutta for this one particular game, so I'm not sure. I said, what happened? You are the CEO. 22nd is this man's wedding anniversary. So the first start to the program will be for him to not cut the cake, because the anniversary is still there, but to at least touch the cake with the knife. We'll put our hands together for him, and we'll also call Jhulan, because a stamp has been released in her honor today. So the two of them, and with Manoj, why don't you do the honors with the cake? Rajneesh, please get them there. We'll do a photo up there, and thereafter I'll call Virendra Sehwag on stage and get going. Viru, Jhulan, Manoj. I've celebrated Virendra. I don't know how many of you have read the book yet, but I've celebrated Virendra Sehwag at a lot of places in the book. So I will go down that route. And when I say he revolutionized test match batting, I actually mean it. But you didn't start as an opener. Can you tell us that? Because I've quoted Saurav's perspective, and then the Lord's 100, and then how you revolutionized everything. How difficult was it आप टेस्ट मैच में कभी ओपन, फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट में ओपन नहीं किए थे, टेस्ट मैच में ओपन करके, एंड देन व्हाट यू बिकेम 100 after 100 for India all over.
I think my first question was John Wright and Saurav Ganguly, why me? They said, no, you are playing one-day cricket as an opener and you played enough one-day cricket, you have enough experience. Then I questioned them, then Tendulkar did opening for decade, and Saurav Ganguly, you started the opener as in 98 and it's 2002. So why not you guys can do the open, I can bat in middle order. So they said, if you want to play test cricket, this is the only place. Don't ask question. If you want to do it. Otherwise, sit on the bench. So that's Saurav Ganguly told me. So I asked him one more question. I said, Dada, just promised me, if I get flop in as an opener in 3-4 games, you will give me the game in middle order. So he promised me that. He said, yes, done. And then I asked John Wright that make sure that he fulfill his promise. So because Dada is known for say anything, but he hardly does things. So. And after that, rest is history. So in my first game, I think I scored 88 or 83 as an opener at Lords. 84. So Tendulkar, Ganguly, Dravid asked me, you are the stupidest one. I said, why? He said, no, nobody scored 100 in their first game at Lords and you missed it. I said, at least I scored 84. So I was happy with that.
So when Saurav then says that, and he mentions the NatWest final, that opening with Viru, we were walking out, and I kept telling Viru, thoda sa dekh ke khelenge, and he said, haan, chinta mat kijiye. And then Ronnie Irani, ball dispatched over mid-off, ball dispatched over mid-on, and ab Gana bhi ga rahe the. Is that true, and how did that come about?
Yes, that's true.
So
your question is longer than my answer. Yeah, that's true.
So did singing on the pitch or whatever, did all of that come naturally to you?
I think I was very confident that if English people can score 325, so we can easily chase that, because they are not good in one-day cricket, because we played so many one-day cricket throughout the year, like 30-35 one-days every year. So we are better side than the England side. So I told Dada, don't worry, गोरे कर सकते तो हम भी कर सकते. इन्होंने हम पे राज किया, अब हमारा मौका इन पे राज करने का.
So, ये जो आप ट्विटर का एक नया डेफिनेशन लाए हो, do you consciously think of your Twitter avatar or it comes to you naturally?
No, I was just sitting with a couple of friends and I started with the birthday wishes. So, every time we just wish, and I wish you a very happy birthday, prosperous new year and blah, blah, blah. So I said, there's no fun to doing that. So let me change that trend. And I started with Hitman, Rohit Sharma. So because we celebrated Tendulkar's birthday like anything, I said, why we are celebrating only Tendulkar's birthday? Why not everybody's birthday? So that's how I started on my Twitter. So I just wrote a line that, when Rohit Sharma born, doctor said, Hitman comes.
So that started it?
That started it. And after that, the Jimmy Anderson birthday, I wished him that. Before Jimmy Anderson, there was only one Anderson which was famous, the Pamela Anderson. So different quotes, people laugh, but they enjoy that.
So it comes naturally to you. I mean, do you have to consciously think of these things?
Not really, because the moment you introduced me that, Viru said no to you anytime, but I will say when you ask me, put your photograph on Twitter, so I will not do that, because I'll do only one favors.
Fabulous, no problem.
That is done.
Okay, beautiful.
So it comes naturally, I think.
Great. So, what does come naturally, and this is something I want to ask of you. 2005, and this is a discussion we had at the Taj Lands End as well. In the book, we mentioned the Greg Chappell email. We mentioned the email which perhaps changed Saurav Ganguly's career. We mentioned the email that created such a flutter in Indian cricket. Are you the person who knew about that email and tell Saurav Ganguly?
Yeah, what happened, I used to take a rest during the test matches and while fielding. So just, I have a very good relationship with umpire. So I said, I need a break. I said, how long? I said, minimum 5 overs. They said, okay. So that's what I'll tell. He said, just, you have a bad stomach. So I said to second umpire that, I have a bad stomach and I have to go out and flush it out. So they said, okay. So I went out. So I actually went into the toilet to tell the Greg Chappell that my stomach was upset. So, and after that I was sitting. like Greg Chappell was writing his email, and I was sitting next to him, and I was just reading. So he was writing, "Dear this BCCI and all," and then I gave attention to that letter, to that email, and then I went in and told Dada.
So second favor done. You've given the whole media a headline.
No, but he was writing, but I didn't say that what he was writing. I said he was writing something to BCCI, which is very serious. So, you must speak to BCCI what he was writing.
So
and
that's
if you
what
get-
I'm saying. So Greg Chappell's email, finally, so Virender Sehwag was the one who informed Saurav Ganguly that that email was being written. I think that mystery, which has been there for 13 years, gets solved today. आपने मेरे को बोला था, I asked you this, that why didn't you say this before? You said nobody asked me.
Yes, you were the first one.
So good. So my hand is up, second favor done. So people from the media, please take note. This has been one story which has been in Indian cricket for a long, long time. But
Yeah,
Viru,
I'll tell you one more thing.
Please do.
When this Boria sits there and asks question, he makes sure that he asks something controversial. When he sits here, the reputation is same. So he's still asking the same question.
I'm not asking, this is not
The
controversy.
controversial questions, tomorrow headline comes and then he can sell a lot of books.
So, वो तो
So
करना ही-
something
देखो,
written in the
आप-
book.
आप सबको ही बेचते हैं, बेचना तो पड़ेगा, नहीं तो फायदा क्या,
So
पब्लिशर
मैं
नहीं
बेस्ट मेनू
छापेगा।
बेचने वाला.
Of course, इसीलिए आपको अकेला बुलाया, नहीं तो सबको बुला लेते।
That was my.
That was your call, and मैंने रख भी दिया,
Yeah,
देखिए।
thank you.
My multiple launches, there are more people, except this launch, there's one man. So that was something that I have to put my hand up, the best man to sell my books. Anyway, forget it. 195 in Melbourne, Viru, is an innings that every Australian also still celebrates. Then you get out trying to hit a six. Is it something when you look back and think, oh, I might not have hit that shot, or is it like I got 195?
No, I never bother about regrets and all because when you are at the crease, you have to think that time only. So your mind should work on the wicket rather than working outside outside the ground or maybe in that. I still remember that one conversation I had with Debuda. Is there? No, because it's Boria's function, so we should.
No, Debuda and I are great friends.
Yeah, okay.
I'm friends with everyone.
No, in Bengal, I don't know who's.
Bengal, everyone's
best
my friend.
So he asked me that, did you regret it? I said, no, never. Why I should regret? Because they said, no, Viv Richards score air double hundred in a day, or I don't know, 180 in a day, so you missed that double hundred. I said, I was the only one who scored 195 in a day. Nobody else did. So it doesn't matter if you score 200 or 190, that was the highest.
And you also got 283 then in that match against Sri Lanka at the Wankhede.
293.
293, but you were not out 284.
But I was the only one who scored 2 triple century and 293.
Correct?
So nobody did that. So
But
why
you don't-
Why should I regret? So if I scored that third triple century, आप मुझे बुलाते या नहीं?
फिर भी बुला लेते।
तो फिर तो डिफरेंस तो कुछ नहीं है ना.
तो आज ये कल का जो मैच था उसके बाद क्रिस गेल ने बोला कि वीरेंद्र सहवाग हैज सेव्ड द आईपीएल बाय पिकिंग मी।
वो सही है कि नहीं?
वो आपसे पूछना था।
तो मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, मैंने तो लिख दिया है.
आपने तो ट्वीट भी कर दिया है।
हाँ, तो मैंने लिख दिया है कि मैंने सेव किया आईपीएल को.
सो
क्योंकि उससे बड़ा एंटरटेनर कोई है नहीं आज.
तो लास्ट तक क्यों नहीं आपने लिया उसको
वो एक स्ट्रेटेजी थी
कि कोई नहीं लेगा, कम पैसे में ले लेंगे।
कि और प्लेयर भी तो खरीदने थे. अगर वो उस टाइम में स्टार्ट हो जाता तो शायद वो ज्यादा महंगा भी जाता.
But are you surprised at the way he played, or you were expecting the way over the last couple of games?
I think I was expecting from everybody, other franchisee, that they seen last year of Chris Gill's IPL, so he was injured, he was not scoring run also. But when you have injury, it's difficult to score runs. You ask any cricketer if he gets injured and come back to the international cricket or any cricket, so it's difficult for him to score runs. And that what he told us. His back was suffering last year, so he was getting a lot of pains in his back. So he missed a lot of games because of that. And Virat Kohli dropped him also from the playing 11 when he was not scoring runs. So I was expecting that nobody will pick him because he's I think 38 or 39-year-old, so he was my age. So I thought if we pick him, if I don't play him in the playing 11, he's a good guy to be do the marketing, and he's fabulous with all the marketing deals, and also everybody loves Chris Gayle.
आप भी बेचते हो।
मेरा काम हो गया ना.
So दोनों हम लोग एक ही काम करते हैं।
मेरा काम हो गया है. So I think that he fits in our group also. And then somebody asked me that why you bought Chris Gayle. I said we bought him for 2 crores. If he wins 2 games, then I think I recovered my money. But he already did that. So now still I think 10 more games to go. So if out of 10 if he clicks 2 more times, so he win 4 games. So he's the big asset for Kings XI Punjab now.
How are you looking at this job as CEO? I mean, you approached your cricket with a very carefree kind.
I wish I am a CEO of Kings XI Punjab team.
I mean, as mentor or whatever. let's put it that way.
CEO's salary is bigger than mine.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Maybe in other ways you will earn 10 times the amount the CEO earns, which you do. I don't want to push you that side,
No,
but
CEOs work only in percentage. So our franchise is getting 200 crore every year. So if you look at if he's getting percentage on that 200 crore, how much you will
अरे
earn?
आप मांगोगे तो वो परसेंटेज भी मिल जाएगा वो तो सबको पता है बट लुकिंग एट दिस रोल ऑफ द फील्ड आर यू एंजॉयिंग दिस रोल
It's easy.
compared to playing?
Absolutely, compared to playing. You ask any cricketer, the kind of pressure they handle while playing. This pressure is nothing. I'm spending 80 crores for somebody else, not from my pocket. And they are paying me for that.
Correct.
So paying me to spend 80 crores on that.
This is
on the
fantastic,
player.
isn't it?
So it's easy job,
But you know,
But yeah, it's a little bit pressure when you spend 80 crores of somebody. So you spend on right players, and you think the future also. So if you think the future, so you have to combination with senior and junior, so who can serve longer period of time. So build the team for next 3 to 5 years. So hopefully in next 3 to 5 years, at least Kings XI Punjab wins once.
Viru, when I go back to you, and okay, let me ask you one more off the field question. You've almost revolutionized Hindi commentary. I mean, was it a conscious thing that you wanted to get into commentary, or it just happened by chance and you just took to like fish takes to water?
I think I was used to do a lot of Hindi commentary during our matches because the moment I gets out on cheaply, come back to the dressing room and I sat with a couple of my colleagues and we start doing commentary because in our dressing room we switch off the volume and just watch the game without volume. So I said, let me put some volume on the TV. So rather than putting volume on the TV, I start talking as a commentator, and we pull a lot of people's legs. Like I give you example, when Rahul Dravid was batting and he was not hitting boundaries. It's very boring to do commentary when Rahul Dravid is batting, and that was the truth because if you are batting with Rahul Dravid, then it's the best place to be there because Rahul Dravid bowler को थका देता है और मैं थके हुए bowler को मार देता हूँ.
Lovely. And
So Hindi commentary was not a conscious effort. It was natural to me because I'm very good in Hindi. So I understand every bit of Hindi language. So और हमारे देश में 90% से ज़्यादा लोग हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं और अभी वो TRP गिर गई है जब से सहवाग नहीं है.
अब क्या होगा? अब तो सहवाग है नहीं.
जब मुझे पता चला कि मेरी वजह से स्टार को प्रॉफिट हो रहा है तो मैंने अपना प्राइस बढ़ा दिया. So now Star can't afford सहवाग.
Oh, they'll come back and afford Sehwag, not to worry.
Maybe they are spending 6,000 crores on BCCI rights and 16,000 crore on IPL rights, and
Correct.
they don't have a good commentator.
Nice. That's another headline. Hindi, okay.
Hindi commentator.
22,000 crores and no good commentator in Hindi. सौरभ मुझे बोल रहा है कि ये जो आप अभी बोल रहे थे ड्रेसिंग रूम में that you sit and Rahul Dravid's example you've given. Saurav says somebody who is about to go into bat is a nightmare sitting next to you because you will do this running commentary, and he says, with Sehwag, a good ball, he can hit it. But when I'm supposed to go into bat and he's sitting next to me and he's doing this, it's crazy.
But I never asked to listen to me. I never asked Saurav Ganguly or Tendulkar to listen to me.
So they came and sat
That was
next
my
to you.
commentary. Anybody can listen. If you don't want to listen, get up and go sit somewhere else. So it was easy. But yes, that's true. Especially when off spinner or leg spinner was bowling. So I was saying, oh yaar, chokka miss kar diya. Oh yaar, chakka miss kar diya. That I used to tell. Even in our dressing room also. Even you can ask Tiwari when we sit together. So yaar, ye kya khel raha hai? Isme to chokka hona chahiye tha. So I'm like that because I was dealing in boundaries, not in singles and doubles.
Fabulous. So is this true कि आपने actually शोएब अख्तर को बोला था बॉल डाल रहा है कि भीख मांग रहा है?
I have to be politically correct here.
No, why?
No, here.
Why should you have to be
क्योंकि
political?
आप बार-बार बोल रहे हो एक और हेडलाइन.
सर,
अब इससे बड़ी हेडलाइन क्या हो सकती है?
पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट होने से हेडलाइन थोड़ी देगा वीरेंद्र सिंह.
ये हेडलाइन हो जाएगी ना, नहीं तो बाकी सब पीछे हो जाएंगे.
फिर तो झूठ हो जाएगा.
नहीं बाकी सब पीछे हो जाएंगे.
कोई पीछे नहीं होगा.
सच ज्यादा आगे आने भी नहीं चाहिए.
क्यों नहीं आना चाहिए?
कम आना चाहिए. बाकी सब सच है.
अच्छा थोड़ा सा सच बता दीजिए. चलिए.
सच ये जरूर है कि मैंने उसको ये जरूर बोला था कि बाप होता है, बेटा होता है.
Because the story goes that when you were batting in Multan, and he was constantly trying to bounce you, and I've asked him this question, that the story goes, I'm saying the story goes, that you called him and you said, and he was like, hit me, and you said, भीख मांग रहा है कि बॉल डाल रहा है?
हाँ, that was the correct word, not was the begging, because मेरी इंग्लिश उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी उस समय.
So
तो मैंने ये कहा था कि बॉल डाल रहा है कि भीख मांग रहा है.
So there you go. So I actually asked Shoaib Akhtar this question, that did Virendra Sehwag say this? And his face was red. There was no answer. So I had to ask you this question today. Viru, your career, several milestones. Is 2011 World Cup the highest point?
I think 2 World Cups, that 2007 and the 2011. Yes. And we get a lot of messages on that day. I shouldn't say this, but I will. कि यार थैंक गॉड कि वो जो 83 में वर्ल्ड कप जीते थे उनको थोड़ा पीछे छोड़ दिया है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल आर सेइंग दैट, बिकॉज दोज वर द लेजेंड्स. बिकॉज आई वॉच्ड कपिल देव एंड अदर क्रिकेटर्स, मोहिंदर अमरनाथ, कीर्ति आजाद, मदन लाल. somehow the people were telling me these stories. So I said, no man, this is our World Cup, we won it, and doesn't matter who won it before, but they were the Kapil Dev and those players were the legends. So I know they did it first time and we did it second time. So pretty happy with that. I think the 2007 World Cup is the best, I can say that, because when we went there, so we were a very young team, young captain, new captain, and nobody was expecting that India can win the game, or win the World Cup. So one story was that मैं जब भी क्वार्टर फाइनल, सेमीफाइनल, फाइनल खेलने गया तो मैं अपने सारे कपड़े लेके गया, प्रैक्टिस और मैच क्लोथ, कि क्वार्टर फाइनल हार जाएंगे तो कपड़े पब्लिक में फेंक देंगे, एक्सेस बैगेज बच जाएगा. सो हम लोग जीत गए क्वार्टर फाइनल, तो वो सेमीफाइनल के लिए वापस लेके आने पड़े. तो सेमीफाइनल में फिर मैंने ये सोचा, सेमीफाइनल पे जीत गए तो भी बच गए, तो फाइनल में मुझे लगा आज तो हम दे ही देंगे, चाहे जीते हैं हार रहे. सो दैट्स हाउ वी वॉन द फाइनल.
So you did give?
So yes.
Wow. So Virendra Sehwag
So
gave.
Boria Mazumdar didn't ask me keep the
That's why.
shirt.
Otherwise मैं ले लेता.
ना इधर वो सुमन भी नहीं, सुमन इधर है, फोटोग्राफर सुमन, उसने भी नहीं मांगा कुछ.
नहीं, आपने तो फिर भी मेरे म्यूजियम के लिए 219 का शर्ट दिया है, टेस्ट मैच का शर्ट दिया है, ग्लव्स दिया है, बहुत कुछ ऑलरेडी दे दिया है आपने.
हाँ, बट इसलिए मुझे आना नहीं चाहिए था, फिर इतना कुछ तो दे दिया मैंने.
आना तो चाहिए था जाके खुद देखने के लिए कि है कि नहीं. मैं उसको लेके किया क्या है. नहीं, फंक्शन तो अलग बात है. Anyway, 2 more questions or 3 more questions before we get into the the celebration of the book. Viru, given the current team, you won the World Cup, that's why I ask you, we've just won this series in South Africa. Do you actually see this team having a realistic chance come World Cup 2019?
Yes, absolutely. Because I think I was telling in my interviews that this team has a capability to win the test series outside India. Because the kind of bowling batting we have, we just missed in South Africa. We played one session with a bat, so I think we could have win the either first or second test match. So we create the history in South Africa, but we missed it maybe in England or maybe in Australia. Yes, the kind of team we have as in one days, I think we are the favorites, I can say, in 2019 World Cup.
Big statement. And when you
You
say
don't
that,
believe it?
no, that's why I want to sort of probe you a little bit more. Do you say that because, and especially this is a question related to the test team, is it because the fast bowling unit picked 50 wickets, the spinners also came into the party? Is this the best fast bowling crop that we've had in a long time, which is what is prompting you to make this statement?
Yeah, absolutely. Because in our days, I think we had Srinath, Zahir Khan, Agarkar, and Ashish Nehra. But I think this a lot is really good, because these 4 bowlers, they never played together. I think either Zahir Khan was injured, Ashish Nehra was injured, or Srinath was injured. So they never played together except the 2003 World Cup, and we reached the finals of 2003 World Cup. So, but this lot has a more capability than they can deliver in any conditions.
And Australia, without Steven Smith, David Warner, India's best chance this year?
Doesn't matter if they are with them or not.
Even then?
Yeah.
Okay, one more question from me then. There are school children here, so no questions from anyone else. I'll take 2-3 questions from school kids and then get into the unveil. My final question to you, I'll ask one at the end of the show. One, when Virendra Sehwag looks back at his career, you've got, now you have your school, you are bringing in talent, you are part of Kings 11 Punjab, you've done what you've done in terms of all of what you've achieved. You're a doting, family man, when you look back, I mean, if I ask you to identify as an Indian cricketer, something that you will always remember. You've just said World Cups, but as a more personal memory, anything?
My first test 100, because when I was playing one day cricket, everybody was talking about that he's a very good one day player, so he can break all the records in 1 day, but he's not a test player. So, but when I got selected, so I have a point to prove that all the media, all the ex-cricketers and other people that know I can play test cricket also. The moment I scored first test 100, so I was very happy, and I hugged Saurav Ganguly many times that thank you Dada, give me the opportunity to play test matches. So he said, अरे पागल तेरे में पहले से टैलेंट था, मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया, सिर्फ टैलेंट को खिलाया. So he was very humble, and he was the only captain who sacrificed his place as an opener for me, sacrificed his place at number 3 for Dhoni. So nobody else did that.
That's some humility as well. Viru, when I told you the name of the book, you said, आपने नाम गलत रखा है. 11 gods and a billion Indians, and you told me नाम गलत है, भगवान एक था. Tell them the story and then I'll get into the questions.
भगवान आज भी एक है, but कलकत्ता में कितने भगवान है ये मुझे नहीं मालूम.
But cricketing भगवान आपने बोला था, God एक है. तेंदुलकर, आपने नाम गलत रख दिया है. That was what Virendra Sehwag's reaction was. 2 questions from school children. One from, yes sir, please. Please. Microphone ta din okay? हाँ बोलून.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Aryan Sharma of the Newtown School. I want to ask one thing. What was your favorite memory with the Indian cricket?
You just said that.
To playing for India is your favorite memory. You know, when you start playing cricket as a young boy, you want to play for your country. I think that is the biggest dream and memory I can say.
Second question from another child. I mean, if we have a lady, because cricket is now, Chulan's there, so we celebrate her all the time. Is there another hand? School child. Only school children. What's Virendra Sehwag's highest test score? Come on, quickly. 319, 3 people. All 3 of you come up. All 3 of you come up on stage. 319.
So you'll get free book.
No, we'll give them better things. We'll give them gift vouchers. They can buy clothes. Come on. My book is a bit too difficult for them to read. Come up on stage. Virendra Sehwag's highest test score.
Indirect marketing, huh?
That's why I didn't say the brand.
Yeah.
So no marketing. Didn't say the brand. Okay. Celebrated
written
you,
on the voucher.
but no.
Thank you, boys.
So please go and buy the stuff tomorrow. It's a pretty decent amount voucher. Enjoy. Time to launch the Bengali book first, and it's the first unveil. The Bengali book was not formally released on the 7th of this month. To first call on stage my few friends to unveil the book along with Viru, Rajneesh, Chulan, Manoj, where's Deep? Deep, please can you bring the books up on stage? This book for the first time is getting translated into multiple languages. Viru, you're doing the formal unveil of the Bangla book of 11 Gods and a Billion Indians. The Hindi edition is getting launched in Delhi. And we will do the, Jatin, where are you? Jatin, please can you come on stage? Jatin, please come on stage. Anirban, on stage please. Where's Ramesh? Ramesh, please can I have you on stage? Aye. And let's have the books. Please. Jhulan, Manoj and Viru together. That's it. Sabko de do. Please, I'll come that side. Deep, have you taken a copy? Sure. So it gives me a lot of pleasure because, not everyone, as he said very rightly in this country, still, when I speak in English, the single most instrument of class oppression still in India is perhaps the language of English. Bangla ba Hindi, আজকে অনেকেই আমায় জিজ্ঞেস করেন বাংলায় করছেন না কেন হিন্দিতে করছেন না কেন সো ইটস আ ম্যাটার অফ গ্রেট প্রাইড যে এই বইটা পরপর মাল্টিপল ভাষায় লঞ্চড হচ্ছে ইংরেজি আমরা অলরেডি বের করেছি বাংলা অ্যান্ড হিন্দি দ্য হিন্দি ভার্সন ইজ গেটিং লঞ্চড ইন দিল্লি অন দ্য 17th of May. Thank you very much for doing the honors. The English version we will now celebrate together and then we will take closing comments. So the Bengali book, Deep, Thank you for doing it at such a hurry. It's called Ishwar Akadosh o Shotokoti Bharatiyo. I'll acknowledge Ekta for doing the cover for me. Please, jara Bangla porte bhalobashen, my mother, for example, will love to read the Bengali book. It makes a great deal of personal pleasure as a Bengali to be able to do this for you. So that's the Bangla book. Can we have the English versions, please? Jatin, can we have the English versions on stage?
I'm sure that I will not read this book because too much pages in there. But I will read my part for sure. Thank you, Boria. I known Boria, I think, since 2002 or maybe 2000 when I started playing for India. He was after me for interviews and, not him only, means all the reporters when I was just compared to Tendulkar. But he told me one thing, I still remember that, if somebody is you comparing with Tendulkar, it's difficult to fulfill Tendulkar's dreams and maybe the way he is playing. So you better become a Sehwag. So I think that line I used, I never quoted him. I quoted myself that, I thought that, I have to be Sehwag. But thanks, Boria, for telling me and letting me know that, if you want to become a Tendulkar, then you have to prepare to score 100, play 200 test matches and score 18,000 runs or 15,000 test runs. So it's difficult to become a Tendulkar. But, feels good when people will compare with you, Tendulkar. So I think I was pretty happy when people were comparing me with Tendulkar. So thank you very much, but I will read my part for sure.
For sure, and I'll send you the page numbers, which will make it easier for you. On that note, there's one small token of appreciation from the school kids for you. Please open it and give it to Viru. That's a hand-painted drawing of Virendra Sehwag done by these kids. Open it. Khule ano. Abhishek, khule dao. And that's the last part of the program because there's a game tomorrow at 4 p.m. in the afternoon. And Viru has to leave, so that's the last part of the evening. Virendra Sehwag, former Indian captain and all-rounder. It's a hand-painted thing done by school kids. So put your hands together for these children. They've worked a lot. It means a lot to them that Viru is accepting this on their behalf. Thank you so much.